What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, as you can see, I'm back in the car. It is very sunny. It's 72 degrees in my city, so you can probably see half of my face. But just want to jump on real quick as I finish out my weekend quest. I had a task to do 40 trips between Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and I will receive an extra $55. And so that's what I'm here to do. Today is Sunday, and so I'm going to close out this quest. I have completed 28 trips already, so I only have 12 more to go. It is actually a little late in the evening on this Sunday, so I'm hopeful that I can get this done at a decent time because it is currently 5:56. I'm actually headed to someone right now, and I would like to get done by 8 o'clock, 8:15 if I can, but 12 trips in such a short time is a little bit unlikely unless I get really short trips. So praying for those short trips. Right now I'm kind of on a long one. I was about 18 minutes away from her, and her trip itself is going to be about, I think, about 18 minutes as well. So, but I'm making like $19 for the trip, so I went ahead and accepted that one, and it's my first one for today. So stay with me, you guys. Go ahead and comment, like, and subscribe while you're here, and stay with me and see if I'm able to close out this challenge and get that extra $55. Stay tuned.
About to leave, already packing.
Alright, you guys, so quick update. I'm at $70 and some change, and I'm 6 trips in, only 6 trips to go. So stay with me. Let's go ahead and complete this challenge. So I am done. I am home safe. Praise the Lord. I'm in my garage. So I just wanted to close out this video with you guys really quick. I hit my goal and then some. I finished all of my 12 trips that I needed to complete the 40 for the challenge I was trying to complete. So, and then overall I made $200 today, you guys, in a matter of about 4.5 hours. So that's pretty awesome. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you thumbs up, like this video, and comment if you appreciate this kind of content from me. Again, I am Tiarrea B, and I am out. Bye.